a great choice today with 2011 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, leather trim seats, heated seats, cruise control, front and rear power outlets, child safety locks, multifunction display. Your new ride is just a phone call away.